Control, this is Echo 7. Nucleum now. Like access astrothics bad. Engine fault. Check systems. Rerouting power, holding steady. Climbing to safe altitude. Watch your altitude, adjust that knob.
Adjusting now, heading stable.
Good. Throttle back slightly.
Roger, throttle back.
Tower, we have a situation here. Requesting immediate assistance.
Containment is failing. Reroute auxiliary power now. Rerouting.
Shore breach imminent. Diverting nav power. V1, rotate. Positive rate, gear up. Sparks ahead, banking right.
Copy, shields up.
More incoming, evasive now.
On it, trajectory
Clearing
locked.
it. Fuel flow steady, watch the EGT.
Copy, holding at 620.
Good, trim it out.
Trimming now.
Thrust set, runway is wet. Roger, V1. Rotate, positive rate, gear up. Pre-flight checklist received.
Confirmed, review item 3.
Item 3, fuel pumps on. Check.
Proceeding. I need to get to the cockpit.
Ma'am, the jet bridge isn't cleared.
My flight is. I'm going through.
Thrust set, runway is wet. Roger, V1. Rotate, positive rate, gear up. How's the flight looking? Smooth skies ahead, will be on time? Good. And the ground arrangements? All confirmed. Wow, this is amazing. So smooth. Yeah, not bad at all. Right? The best? It is.
We did it. Everyone's safe.
Thank you, Captain.
That was too close.
Yes! We made it!
The flight's been delayed.
How long? I'll adjust the schedule.
2 hours. Can we move the meeting?
On it.
Here are my documents.
Thank you, sir. Everything looks fine. Gate A7 is right through here.
Check the manual. Section 4. Got it. Looks fine here. Same on the gear. Good. Next item.
Sir, we have a situation. This passenger's ID is flagged.
Flagged? What's the issue?
Take this. Check the manifest and secure the cabin. Checklist confirmed. All systems are green.
Roger that. Weather is clear ahead.
Good. Let's proceed to taxi.
Understood.
Captain, you need to see this ID.
Let me see that. This looks fake.
It's real, sir. Look at the hologram.
Alright. Get security. Control! We have a cow on the runway! Roger, it's moving! I'll wave it off! Copy. It's clear.
Whoa, here we go!
Feel that power.
We're lifting off!